Are users selecting the wrong unit in ServiceNow forms? This is a real project and enter a mistake. Welcome to ServiceNow Learn Easy by Praveen Amineni, part 37 of our 100 Business Rules series. In this video, you will learn how to automatically set the unit field based on product category using a business rule on a custom table. Let's start. The interview question is, how do you automatically set the unit field based on product category? Or in sometimes we can call it as auto set unit field product category. Example, rice, vegetables, milk, eggs, flowers. For example, let's say this is a custom table I am created. All this information I was provided in this YouTube channel. This video I have provided from starting to ending of the creation of table. In the description, I have provided all information. Let's say example, it has a custom table has number, customer name, mobile number, delivery address, delivery date, product category, quantity, unit, price per unit, total amount, and order status. And product category includes rice, vegetables, fruits, leafy vegetables, flowers, milk products, meat, fish, dry fruits, eggs. And the unit includes kg, liter, dozen, pieces. If we select X, it will automatically populate the unit as a dozen. Or if we select the milk products, the automatically unit is liter. Or else if we select as rice, the unit automatically will populate as kgs. According to this product category, it will change unit. So this is the dynamic values. So why this is important? In daily business applications, each product has mixed unit. Users should not select wrong units, prevent billing and quantity mistakes. Very common requirement in ordering systems. So this is a very real-time scenario, and every project needs this type of scenarios. These are the dependent values on each other. So we can break this requirement into simple steps. Let's say when a product category is selected, the system should automatically select the correct unit. For example, if we select the rice, it will automatically select the kgs. If we select the vegetables, it will select the kgs. And if we select the milk products, milk will be denoted as a letters. And if we select the eggs, it will automatically dynamically select the dozens. Or else, if we select the flowers, it will automatically select pieces. Like this way, we need to create the script. In simple way, furtherly, we can divide into simple steps. First, we need to identify the selected product category, decide the correct unit, set the unit automatically. In this, we can use different methods. Along with business rule, we need to follow alternative methods also. The alternative methods include client script, UA policies, flow designer. But among these, business rules are best. Why means for client script can be bypassed only because it won't work on the server side. And UA policy, it will work on only user interface only. For flow designer, it will somewhat complicated as compared to the business rule. The best option is business rule. In the business rule, what's the best way? We have different types of business rules are there before, after async display business rule. In that business rule, why we are selecting business rule? Because it's a server-side logic. Works for UI, API, and imports. It cannot be bypassed like that client script. And it's the best to production safe technology. That's why we are using business rules. And what type of business rule we should use? We have 4 types of business rules are there: before, after, async display. According to our requirement, we should use before. And because before saved to the database, it needs to work. That's why we are using before business rule. And it will apply on the insert and update. The order is 140. As per sequence, it will run, or else collisions takes place. That's why we need to prevent the collisions. We will set the order. As per priority, it will run the business rule. So according to all requirement, business rules is the best practice for validations. Let's start our work. We can start our work by navigate to the business rule. Here I'm duplicating this. Then navigate to the business rule. How we can navigate to the business rule? Through system definition by entering business rule or by shortcut key of the table. Sys underscore script dot list. This is the shortcut key of the table. It will directly enter to the business rules. Then start new. The name of the business rule starts with the meaningful name. As per requirement, we will start the name. Set the unit field. Auto set unit. That's better way. The table is custom table. That is Amma Organics. Just we can type Amma. Then the table will appear like that. We can save. Then advanced, if we click advanced, we observe the two major changes in the form. Here when to run and advanced, it's highlighted. If we uncheck, it will disable. If we check, please carefully watch. When to run highlight and advanced options will highlight. Here coming to when to run, we have already 4 types of business rules there: before, after, async, display. According to our requirement, we should use before business rule, because before the data save into the database, we will apply this business rule, and order should be 150. Because of this order, we will prevent the collisions of the business rules. That's why we are using the orders as per priority wise. Then as per our requirement, we should use the insert and update, because while form changing and inserting, we need to change the value. Then click on advanced. There is no need of filter conditions and actions as per our requirement. And if you click on advanced, it will show like this code. And we need to enter here. Here, current previous options are there. Current means current table. Previous means previous values. If previous value is anything, other conditions are there, it will represent the previous value. Current value is represented to the current table records. Then we will start the code or script. And already we break the script into simple steps as per our requirement. First, we need to identify the selected product category and then decide the correct unit, set the unit automatically. These three steps we need to apply on the scripting part. First, to identify the selected product category. How we can? Then we can apply as if condition. If product category equal to rice, then current unit is kg. Like that way, we can decide the correct unit as per the product category. So first we need to select product category, then decide the correct unit. Let's start. So if condition we need to use if current. Why we are using current? Because it's a current table. It will apply on the current table only, no? Current that we need to category, product category we need. Because first to identify the selected product category, then current unit. So first we need to select the category. How we can select the category? Go on the form, product category. So backend value of the product category, we should take show u underscore product underscore category. We should copy the u underscore product underscore category field name. We can call as field value. Control C, and then we can post here after current dot u underscore product underscore category. How u will come? Because u is the custom table. U means it's created by user. Is double equal to, both conditions are same. Double equal to means first condition. What's the first condition here? Product category rice. So we need to take backend value of rice. How we can take backend value? We can go through the columns, show choice list. We can check the backend values. Just I'm saying examples only. By this way, we can navigate it. Product category equal to rice. These are the backend values only. I'm entering. Then open curly braces. Then we already selected product category. Then we need to select the unit, because as per the break requirement, we are identified here. Decide the correct unit. We need to take the unit. What unit it will require for the rice? Cages in the form of cages we need to require. Unit means backend value of unit is u underscore unit. So copy the field value, then copy the here, copy the here. Before that copying current, because it will apply to the current table, no? Current dot u underscore unit. Then equal to. So for rice, we need to take unit as kg. For rice, we need kg. Auto populate the kg value. If we select the rice, it will auto populate kg. That's why we are entering here kg. Backend value. Then next step. Same thing will copy, because it will prevent this time saving. Then paste. Then after rice, we need to take vegetables. Backend value of vegetables. Then type here vegetables. Vegetables. My better practice is we should copy the values. How we can copy? You can take duplicate. Show choice list. Cancel. Configure dictionary. Vegetables. For vegetables also, it will cages. Then curly braces. Here we need to keep else, because it will check. Then same thing, copy. then paste here. Then change the vegetables into some other value. X vegetables, fruits. Backend value of fruits we need to type here. Fruits. Fruits for also kg. Then next line. Same we need to copy here. After fruits, leafy vegetables. Backend value of leafy vegetables are leafy underscore vegetables. Leafy underscore vegetables. Leafy vegetables value is here piece. Unit is piece, piece, piece. Piece. Then paste here. Then we can change it to other value. Flowers. Backend value of flowers is small flowers. Small letter flowers. Flowers. Pieces. Then paste one more time. Then milk products. Milk underscore products. Backend value. Milk underscore products. Then milk product is let us know in the choice field in it. Liter, L-I-T-R-E, liter, small letter of letter we need to use because it's value no. Then enter. After milk, meat and fish. Meat underscore fish. The backend values. Milk underscore. Sorry, meat. Fish. Meat underscore fish. Okay. Next dry fruits. Dry underscore fruits. Paste. Dry underscore fruits. kg. Then paste more time. After dry fruits, what will be there? X. Then we can change it to the X. Backend value of X. For X, we can consider as the unit is dozen. Small dozen. D-O-G-E-N. D-O-Z-E-N. D-O-Z-E-N. Dozen. That's enough. Just we can check for rice kgs, for vegetables kg, fruits kg, leafy vegetables pieces, flowers pieces, milk products later, and meat and fish kg, dry fruits kg, eggs for dozen. Then we can save the code. First we need to format. Because of the format, it will align the lines and spaces uniformly. Then we can submit. Then we can select, we can test here. Just refresh the form. Then if you select the rice, just update the result. Then we search with the here, open the form or open the table. This is custom table we created already. So previously we selected the rice. So unit will be automatically came to the kg, and price per unit as per the before business rule, it is set as 60 rupees. If we change leafy vegetables, it will call as unit is pieces. Then we can update. You can check that. Yes, leafy vegetable unit will be pieces, and the price per unit is 10 rupees. And one more time, if we change to the flowers or milk products, milk product should be unit is changed to the Litre. We can update. Yes, for milk product, it will automatically change to the Litre, and the price per unit is 50 rupees. And we can change to the eggs. It should be unit as dozen, and price per unit also it will change. Form is loading now. Yes, eggs is dozen, and the price per unit is 80 rupees. If we select flowers, the unit should be pieces. Then update. Yes, the unit should be pieces, and the price per unit also changed. And if we change to meat and fish, it should be turned to the unit as kgs, and the price should be 200 or 400 something. We can update. Check the table number. Yes, meat is kg, and final is dry fruits. Can update. Dry fruits was kg. The cost is 200 rupees. This way we can easily change the dependent values or dynamic values based on product category. And alternative methods are client script, UA policies, or flow designer. And among them, business rules are the best option because business will work with the server-side scripting, and it's the best validation method. And some common errors will rise by using this type of business rules, and the common errors includes these should be avoided because these are very important to practice best business rules. So using choice label instead of value, it means instead of choice label value, we should use choice label. And don't forget update the checkbox. We should update the checkbox only. We should not use client script. These are the precautions. Wish you all the best, guys. This is ServiceNow Learn Easy by Praveen Amina YouTube channel. Thank you, guys.